This is just a quick video to go back over what we did last Friday in our Zoom meeting, or if you weren't able to join our Zoom meeting, this is what you can do to catch back up. So what we needed to do was open our drive. So open your drive, find your class folder, whatever you named your class folder. Once you're inside of your class folder, if you've already started your Google site, it'll be right here. If you've not started it, you need to come over to the far left-hand side where it says New. You need to click on New. Scroll down to the bottom where it says More. Slide over to where it says Google Sites. So we're doing sites, not slides, sites. We're making a website. Click Create and Share so that it's in our folder together. Right? Once your slide opens up here in the top, we named it whichever class you're in, either fresh or mix, and then INCEDU. In the center, is going to be entrepreneur. If the word entrepreneur does not fit, please take these little dots right here on the side and stretch them. But you'll have to stretch them past another line. If you stop in the middle of a line, it'll just bounce back. So make sure you stretch it to fit within the next little segment of space that Google Sites has for you. Okay. Down here in your right-hand corner, if it doesn't show up, just push your cursor right here in this area. You can change your image. So from here, you can either upload an image that you have on your laptop, or you can select an image. Your choice, but please personalize your site to whichever you would like. There is a lot. You can even go find something from the internet and save it to your desktop and bring it in. We have some different parameters that you're going to do with your Google site, and those will be listed in our assignment, so you need to make sure they are in your site. But to add things in this white space right here, not the footer. Please don't add a footer. In this white space right here, you could go click, click 2 times on your trackpad, kind of quickly, and you can add text, you can add images, you can upload images, or you can add something from your drive. This is embed, and we will get to that point, just not yet. If you don't want to use the click, click method, over here on the far right-hand side underneath Insert are all of those options again. So click, and then you can add. Okay. To add your pages, you're going to come over here to where it says Pages. Click on Pages, come down to the New Page. It kind of does a little spinny thing when you do it. Click on New Page, and then you're going to add whatever your next page is. And those things are listed in our assignment. So I have a Mindset page. Inside of my Mindset page, I'm going to have my DNA page. So it'll be nested underneath it. So come back over to where it says Mindset on this far right-hand side. Scroll over to these 3 dots. Click on the 3 dots, and you're going to make a subpage. And the subpage is going to be DNA. You're going to make another subpage that's called Qualities. But let's say we accidentally forgot to click on subpage. You can have your page, Qualities, and now you can either take it and drag it so it's underneath Mindset, drag it out so it's not in Mindset, and drop it underneath. Drag and drop. All right, if you want to play with the themes, you can play with the themes as well. There's not a lot of themes to choose from, but you can change it up just a little bit to fit your personality style. If you add a text box, you will notice over here on the far left-hand side that we have a few options to add some color to it, to add a different image behind it if we wanted to. So if we were trying to make something else stand out a little bit more than just regular text, we could add some background color or background image to it. Alrighty, when you are done with just this part, we're going to keep adding to it. I need you to come to Publish, It's going to be whatever the untitled part was that we named up here, so either mixed or fresh. So this example, I'm doing it on a mixed one, so mixed edu, and then I need your first initial and your last initial, not your name. Your first initial and your last initial. If we end up with more than one person with the same first and last initials, I will meet with you and we will decide which one's going to be one and which one's going to be two. So mixed ink edu, your first initial, your last initial. If you are fresh ink, then fresh ink edu, first initial, last initial. Click publish. Copy your link and submit it.